It's Sunday, May 26, 2019. We're in Victorville, California. It's just a little afternoon Pacific time. As you see, we keep going down in elevation even though the mini winnie's not moving. Satellite's still sending the information to this Magellan. Anyway, wanted to not zoom in, but show you what's going on outside here. We're supposed to get rain today, but the skies have cleared up slightly. But the winds have been like this for days and days and days. We got here May 1st. It's a few hours every few days with no wind. Wind's blowing so hard it's tore up that side of the roof on that shed. You can tell that the other side had been ripped off because they have a weight up on that side holding it down. The big tree out here doesn't seem to be getting tossed around as much as the little tree, but because the branches are a lot thicker. We've had 40 and even 50 mile an hour sustained winds, just continuous. The reason for these winds is Mount San Antonio. It's southwest of us, maybe 50, 60 miles, and San Bernardino is 40 miles from here, southeast. Well, the snow cap is melting on top of the mountain. And as that cold air gets warmed up by that sun, the wind just starts. Okay, we're going to close off this video the way it was started, and that's by zooming in on the Magellan. And as you can see now, we're at 3,075 feet. Well, let me zoom out and take the camera outside to try to get the picture of the San Antonio mountain in. Powering down the Magellan. Well, it just powered down and fell. It doesn't normally ride there. I put it there to just get a picture. Okay, here we go. We're going to sign out. We can get the mountain in a picture. And the reason I say if we can get the mountain in a picture is all the clouds on top of it. You can't see the top of the mountain. It goes 10,400 feet above sea level, so that's another, rounded out 7,325 feet above us. But then those clouds that you're seeing forming all coming off that snowpack. All right, so that's that for this one. Just too windy out here for me.